If you've ever wondered how to add a product and what details you need to include, keep watching because this video walks you through how to add a product to your Shopify admin. Start on the Shopify admin, click Products, and then click Add Product. It's important to note, you aren't required to enter every product detail listed in this video. Choose what's right for your business. Start by giving the product a name. Next, add a description. Describe your product in detail to inform and persuade potential customers. If you're using a dropshipping service like Oberlo, it's best to rewrite the provided description. Next, click Upload Image and select images to include. Visuals are a key factor in whether a customer decides to make a purchase or not. Now you need to add a price. This is what customers pay at checkout. Click Charge Taxes on this product if the product is taxable. The Compare At Price is the original price for a product that's on sale. For example, if you enter $30 as the Compare At Price and leave the price at $20, the product displays as $10 off. The cost per item is how much the product costs you. If you resell a product, enter the price you paid the manufacturer, excluding taxes, shipping, or other costs. Or, if you create the product yourself, enter a value that is based on your labor and material costs. Under the Inventory column, you see the option to add a stock keeping unit, also known as a SKU. This is a unique value for the product. SKUs help you organize your inventory and fulfill orders. You also see an option for barcodes. Barcodes are typically used by resellers. The identifier needs to be a new or existing global trade item number, also known as a GTIN. Some sales channels require a GTIN before a product can be published using the channel. The Inventory Policy setting allows the Shopify admin to track inventory. If you select Don't Track Inventory, then the quantity option is not available. Next, enter the number of units in stock under Quantity. If you're using Shopify locations, you'll see a slightly different layout in the Inventory section. Uncheck the box Track Quantity if you aren't tracking inventory. Otherwise, enter individual quantity numbers for this product at each location available. You can also select Allow customers to purchase this product when it's out of stock. Only select this if you're confident that you're able to keep up with demand and will have new inventory shortly. Under Shipping, select This is a physical product if this is an item that needs to be shipped. Uncheck it for digital products or services, or for products that you'll never ship. Now, enter the product's weight. This field only appears when this is a physical product is checked. Product weight needs to be accurate because it's used to calculate shipping rates. If you want to ship the product internationally with Shopify Shipping, enter the Harmonized System Tariff Code. Click Lookup Code to search for HS tariff codes. Under Fulfillment Service, select a fulfillment service from the list of services you're using. If you're not using a fulfillment service, then select Manual. Next, enter variants if you have a product with different options like color and size. Click Add Variant and enter a title for the option name. In the Option Values field, enter the different variants available by separating each one by a comma. Continue to add options for other variants until finished. If you've created variants, you need to enter the product details individually just as you did above. The Search Engine Listing Preview is a preview of how your product appears in search engine results. Click Edit Website SEO to make changes to the preview. Back at the top, you see Product Availability. Click Manage and a list of your active sales channels appear. Select the checkbox for what channel you'd like this product to be available on. Under the Organization section, you see Product Type. This is a category for the product. You can use the product type as a condition for an automated collection or to filter products in the Shopify admin. A product can have only one product type. You can use a product type already made or create a new one. To create a new product type, enter it into the Product Type field. The vendor is a manufacturer, wholesaler, or other vendor for the product. If you created this product, enter your own business name here. You can also add the product directly into a collection. Use the Collection field to add the product directly to a manual collection. Automated collections include the product when it matches the collection conditions. Finally, tags are searchable keywords associated with your product. Tags help customers find your product through your online store search, and you can also use them to create automated collections. Review the details you've entered, and when you're ready, click Save. Your product is now added to the Shopify admin. For more videos on how to grow your business, subscribe now. If you still have questions, comment below or contact the Shopify support team directly.